Forget everything else that's going on this week. This is the most important thing. The most important thing. I live a Muppet appreciation life, so this right here.
Don't know what to read or what book to choose, just check out Elizzy Books and BookTube News.
Alright, so let's get down to business and defeat the Huns. So this week has been a lot of Hunger Games countdown reactions, all those kinds of things, and I will post those on the Tumblr. I am done talking about Hunger Games for a while on BookTube News. I'm going to congratulate a couple of people. Well, there are two that come to mind because they made videos about it, but I'm sure there are other people who have met these big grand goals, not goals, but great achievements in their YouTube career, maybe not really career, but you know, their YouTube. Basically, we have the Readables, who is doing a 10,000 subscriber giveaway. She has 10,000 subscribers. You guys, that is huge. I think she has the most subscribers out of everybody who is in the BookTube community, I believe. I will link the video below to her giveaway 10,000 subscribers video. She's doing 3 different prize packs in her giveaway, and just go look at that video for the rules and things like that. I think it's very exciting, and I think those are really good prize packs. So congratulations to Priscilla, and I hope that you have 10,000 more coming your way very, very soon. Next we have the BookTuber who reached 500 subscribers, and I know a lot of people are probably like, but compared to 10,000, that's not much. But I think that within the first 6 months of booktubing, he's gotten 500 subscribers. Like, that is legitimately insanely awesome. It took a while for me to get to 500, I think, but like from 500 to 1,000 was like real quick. And so I hope the same for Tiernan. Yeah. And he said that he would do a Q&A if he hit 1,000, which I think that's gonna be pretty soon. It's coming up. And also in his video, I think it's really cool because it's shout out and also being like, hey, this person is awesome because, and go subscribe to their channel, and you know, that kind of thing, like just kind of showing his support for the people who support him. And so that's really cool. So that is all for this week. I hope that you go and check out these videos and see what they're all about, and go subscribe to these people because they are lovely, lovely people. And yeah, I hope that you all have a great day and have a great weekend. Goodbye.